Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a large flower. It's very easy to do, so let's get started. I'll be using 8mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and chunky yarn in two colors. I'll be chaining 5 stitches and I will join with a slip stitch to create a circle. And now I can make 12 single crochets into the circle, but first I make one chain to begin the round. So, first round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now I will join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Then I will change the color. I take the orange color and continue with round 2. I make a slip stitch and then I make 3 chains. Then make a triple crochet into the first stitch, another triple crochet in the same stitch, and the third triple crochet into the same place. Then I will make 1, 2, 3 chains and then make a slip stitch into the next stitch and another slip stitch in the next stitch. I will make 1, 2, 3 chains and make 3 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3. After that, I make 1, 2, 3 chains and then I make a slip stitch in the next stitch and another slip stitch in the next stitch. I make 1, 2, 3 chains and then 3 triple crochets in the same stitch. And after that I will make 1, 2, 3 chains, slip stitch again into the next stitch and the second slip stitch into the following stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, 3 triple crochets, one, 2, 3 chains and again a slip stitch and a second slip stitch. One, 2, 3 chains, triple crochet once, triple crochet second time and triple crochet third time. 1, 2, 3 chains, one slip stitch, then another slip stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains and after 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3 chains, and then I make a slip stitch. And I will finish with a slip stitch in the first stitch here. I'll cut the thread so the flower is ready. I will tie a little knot to secure it well. With the orange color, I repeat the same thing. And I have the finished flower. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more creative content, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop of our upcoming videos. Thanks for being a part of our crochet community. Until next time.